If you want to add a hamburger menu to your desktop site in Squarespace, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. This is a great change if you want a cleaner navigation layout on desktop and you prefer a more modern, minimal look for your website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go, what to paste, and how to save it so the change appears right away. And if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Squarespace tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and make sure you're working on your Squarespace 7.1 site. This is important because the steps in this tutorial are specifically for that version. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand panel and click on Website. This is where you'll find the settings and design options for your site. After that, scroll down until you find the Utilities section. Under Utilities, click on Custom Code, then choose Custom CSS. This is the area where Squarespace lets you add your own styling code to change the appearance of your site. Since we want to replace the desktop navigation with a hamburger menu, this is the exact place where the customization needs to happen. Now copy the custom code block provided for this tutorial and paste it directly into the Custom CSS editor window. Make sure you paste the full code exactly as given, because even a small mistake can affect how the menu displays. Once the code is in place, take a quick look to make sure it has pasted correctly and nothing is missing. Now click Save in the top left corner. As soon as you save, Squarespace will apply the new styling to your site. You should notice the horizontal navigation instantly vanish and be replaced by a clean desktop hamburger icon. This gives your site a much simpler navigation experience on larger screens while keeping everything easy to access. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page and check your site preview again. In most cases, the update will appear immediately after saving. You can also open your live site in a new tab to confirm the hamburger menu is showing on desktop exactly the way you want it to. And that's it, you've now added a hamburger menu to your desktop site in Squarespace. It's a quick change, but it can make a big difference in the look and feel of your website. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Squarespace tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more simple website customization videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.